The list of the personal interview for the post of cook in McLeod Police with marks is given here, so kindly check it. And last mark qualified for Khasi category is 282 marks as Pak Prapuar, and for Garo category is 271 marks. And the total post for cook is 55 posts, total posts. And I don't know how much posts for Garo category and Khasi and Jaintia category, as there is no roster system for this post of cook, barber and sweeper. Yak kertang ngala arrange in term of highest mark to lowest mark mo na bahe sebarit sa page himapi na Khasi sau kuengut ki bahasa select Naki Garo sau kunyungut ki bahasa select baro utal kidon prapo prangut ki bahasa select san pusan telik pus. And for this last one, Jarnash M Marak, I didn't found the pet marks, so I don't know how much he get. Maybe 273, 200 plus 73, because I didn't found the marks for the pet running pet, because it's not there on the list. I don't know which date he's running, so maybe he get 200 or more, I don't know. But the last mark for Garo category is 271. Thank you.